And then you can ask yourself the question, how much value is a pricing engine actually going to deliver to my organization? And this is an exercise that you can do yourself as well, even if you have a telephone by hand. So what we can do is look at your current catalog. So how many products or services are you selling into the market, and multiply that by the number of pricing dimensions that you are serving. So a pricing dimension can be that you sell your inventory in the Netherlands, in Germany, in the USA, and maybe in Sweden. So then you have, for instance, 4 different countries, 4 different pricing dimensions where you want to fit your prices in that specific market. It becomes even more complex if you have multiple price channels where you have a justification to have a different price on a product per channel, because the customer that is buying in that specific channel is presenting a different behavior than the clients in the other channels. If we look at B2B, we often already see is that they have, of course, customer segments, meaning that in each segment they address different price list to serve that segment best. And the other thing is that we also see in B2B is that they work with key accounts. So how do we set the prices then on the key accounts? And these are all pricing dimensions that you need to take into account. So the number of products times the number of dimensions that you are managing is the total number of price points that you have in the markets. And by making that sum, that acquisition that I just mentioned, is now you can identify how much prices you need to manage with your pricing organization. And depending, of course, how big that number is, you can ask the question, do we have currently the capabilities to execute all these price points in a proper way, in a velocity that is accepted by my market, to achieve the best results on margin and revenue level that we have set as a KPI for our organization. So the frequency of the price change and the time investment that you have to make, so consider that that exercise really helps you to determine how much value a pricing engine can deliver. And I would say that in most companies, that is already something that can come in quite quickly.